Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. Just in, direct off the last owner, this lovely bright little roadster. What a car it is. If you want to make a statement, have a bit of fun, this has got to be the one. BMW Z4 2.5 Sport, 6-speed manual gearbox in bright red, as you can see, with nearly £3,500 worth of factory fitted options. Great fun car. Registered in December 2006 on a 56 plate. For its age, it is incredible condition. It really is a fabulous low mileage example. Great fun car. Just look at it gleaming away. Nice car for the weekend, just have a bit of fun with. It's got this absolutely beautiful beige leather upholstery, Oregon beige, which I think is a fabulous combination. There's no nasty dents, scratches or dings down the car. It really has been very looked after. Just looking absolutely stunning. Remember, it is a 2006 car. The close-up video to show you how nice the car is. All the wheels are in nice condition. Again, no major damage on any of these. No big chunks out of those. Nice and clean. Matching tyres all the way around. Bridgestone Potenza. Doesn't matter which angle you look at it, it's beautiful. Rear parking sensors, just to help with the parking. Again, a close up on the other wheels as well, just to show you we're not just picking one wheel. It's got the sport seats, electric seats, memory seats. Rollover protection. Again, everything is in absolutely gorgeous condition. But just look at those seats. Again, no major damage, no major wear. A little bit of wear, as you can imagine, for its age. So electric seats, memory seats, all optional on this vehicle. Just to show you what the carpet is like underneath. Look at that. You would think it was almost brand new. It is a 2006 car. All the trims again in great condition. No major damage anywhere on the car. Leather sport steering wheel. Just look at the mileage, 59,744. Isn't that amazing? 59,744, 2006 car. BMW stereo, 6 CD changer, climate control, heated front seats, 6-speed manual gearbox. Great stereo in it. Bit of storage, so that's between the seats, and you've also got pockets behind both the seats. Nice little cubby holes. It's a good sized boot. Fit a couple of cases in there for the weekends away. Nice and clean, again not being abused. The battery and the tool kit just located in there. It is gorgeous, this 2.5 engine, smooth 600 engine, just purrs along. .185 brake horsepower, full electric hood, press of a button. Very slick, very quick, very easy. Automatic locking hood as well. Press the button and you're away with the hood down as well. Claimed combined miles per gallon, nearly 35 miles per gallon, which is amazing for a 2.5 litre engine. Look at that, nice and smooth, very sleek indeed. So with the hood on or hood off, it looks fabulous. All the hoods in perfect condition, there's no rips, tears, burns anywhere at all. All nice and clean. Of course, proper glass window at the back, heated. We have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We do the videos to show you exactly how nice the cars are. We don't claim to make them new, but we do try to find some of the best examples, value for money. And if you're after a value for money roadster to have a bit of fun with, what about this one? It really is gorgeous all the way around. If you need any further information, we're just at the end of the phone. Please give us a call on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.